for you.
Okay.
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 I'm taking the phone away from my ear so that I can get closer to him.
Drum roll.
You have been accepted.
You've been accepted to be with.
Dear Elder Carter, you are hereby called to serve as a missionary of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. You are assigned to labor in the California Arcadia Mission. It is anticipated that you will serve for a period of 12 months. You should report to the Provo Missionary Training Center on Wednesday, September 4th, 2013.
12 months?
In what language?
What?
12
Did they say 12 months?
English.
12? 12 months? Huh?
Was that 12 months?
You said 12.
Did I say 12? I meant 24.
Oh my
God. English.
Yeah. Your assignment may be modified according to the needs of the mission president.
And he'll need you in Spanish.
on the phone.
Can I read the rest of it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Alright. You have been recommended as one worthy to represent the Lord as a minister of the restored gospel. You will be an official representative of the church. As such, you will be expected to maintain the high standards of conduct and appearance by keeping the commandments, living mission rules, and following the counsel of your mission president. As you devote your time and attention to serving the Lord, leaving behind all other personal affairs, the Lord will bless you with an increased knowledge and testimony of the restoration and the truth of the gospel of Jesus Christ. Your purpose will be to invite others to come unto Christ.